The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, in this video, I'm going to present to you videos that shows 3 things that happened within the country of Jamaica. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, the first video that I'm going to present to you, according to what had been said about this video on social media, and according to something that had been said in this video, it is said that this video shows a nursing home that flooded because of rainfall within the country of Jamaica. Now, according to what had been said about this video on social media and in the video also, it is said that this had happened within the parish that is known as St. Catherine, that is within the country that is known as Jamaica. Alright? Now, as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
This is the current situation at the Faithview nursing home. The nursing home is absolutely flooded. There is a pond behind the nursing home. It's absolutely flooded. You can see that we are navigating our way through the waters. Faithview nursing home in Clark's Avenue, Yotan, St. Catherine. My name is Dean Reed, and we are doing everything in our powers to try and to rescue the people from the current situation that is facing them at the Faithview nursing home. All help is needed at this moment. All hands are needed on deck to help these indigent folks who are unable to help themselves. So this is in Yotan, Clark's Avenue, St. Catherine. So we are at the moment transporting their stuff to the church facilities, at which I am the pastor, and we are going to move all of these folks to that facility because they need urgent help. Urgent assistance is needed for the Faithview nursing home in Yotan, St. Catherine. There's a pond to the back of the property that has overflown its banks. So you can see the pond to the very back of the property that has overflown its banks, and it's wreaking havoc on the citizens of the Faithview nursing home in Yotan. I am Pastor Dean Reed, and we are crying out for help for the members of this community. We are going to do all that we can in order to accommodate them at the church in Yotan in the interim. Again, I said, this is a Faithview nursing home in Clark's Avenue, Yotan, St. Catherine. So we are working assiduously to get the friends out right now.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. The video that is out on social media, where it is said that a nursing home within the parish of St. Catherine, that's of the country of Jamaica, had flooded. Alright, now I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and according to what had been said about this video on social media, and according to what had been said in this video also, it is said that this video shows flooding that happened within the parish of St. Catherine, that is of the country of Jamaica. You see it? I don't have any confirmed information when this had happened, but you know, I'm going to present this video to you, and maybe you can get a understanding as to exactly where within Jamaica this had happened and when this had happened. Maybe you understand. Now, as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Yeah, up a big pan. Up here, up a Olava. The flood out to blood clot. Watch ya. And this we vote for to blood clot. Bullet tree, whole place, big pan, banister. Everywhere flood out. This is what we vote for. This is what we're voting for. See it ya? All that blood clot people them vote. And this one we vote for. Yeah, Jagga tell them Jagga, this them vote for to blood clot. Yeah. Look at it. Look at it. What is this now? Yeah. See it here? No road. We can't see no road. We can't see the road. You can't them park up so no car can't. Nobody can cross it. Yeah man, and this we vote for a big pan, banister, bullet tree, red grum. Yeah. That's right. Yes.
Viewers, subscribers, and Ariel. The person said, this is what we vote for. It might not be word for word as to how the person had said it, but you know, that's the understanding that I get. You know? Viewers and subscribers, I'm wondering if the person said these things out of joke or just for fun. You understand me? Who knows? Maybe. You see me I say? But you know, me hear what the person say, and you know, it had me thinking in a way, for real. Like, for real now. Look at it now. Not that I'm defending any politician, and it's not that I'm disrespecting anyone, you see me, but in my point of view, I don't think the government of Jamaica or any politician within the country of Jamaica can control everything that happened. You see me I say? The place flooded, and the person said, this is what we vote for. Like, viewers, subscribers, and I really, it had me really and truly just, it made me smile for a while, you see? Anyways, let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. I'm going to move on to another video right about now, you see? Now, the next video I'm going to present to you is not really a long video, but this video is going to show what it looks like at the place that is known as Bagua Gorge, or you could say Flat Bridge. You see me? Yeah, this video is going to show what Flat Bridge looks like after heavy rainfall covers the bridge and the roads. You see me? From the both side of the Flat Bridge. You see me I said to you? Yeah, because you know, some of the times when rainfall really heavily, the river intends to rise, and rise so high that it covers the bridge and the roads. You understand? I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly when this video had been recorded either. So may I say to you, and the bridge that is known as Flat Bridge, it is within the parish that is known as St. Catherine, that is within the country of Jamaica. Alright? Now, as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe. Viewers and subscribers, you see, some of the time when I'm traveling on the Bagwalk, or you could say the Gorge, you see me I say to you that place, some of the times I always say to myself, say, take my time and drive, take my time and go through, because, you know, I just feel like the road is slippery most of the times, not all the time, but most of the times, you see me, because, you know, the road is beside the river, and you know, I just feel that way, viewers and subscribers. So for that, it's like I just take my time when I'm going through that place. You understand? But viewers and subscribers, you know, some of the times when I see some people that travel, you know, when they travel through them place there, which is known as the Bagwalk Gorge, or you could say the Flat Bridge, you know, persons intend to speed. You see, because we see news articles and we see news reports about accidents at the Bagwalk Gorge, you know. You see me, close by to the Flat Bridge, even at the Flat Bridge where vehicles went off the Flat Bridge as well. You see me? So you know, me look at this short piece of video and me see the road look like that with so much mud and all these things. You know, you get what I say to your viewers and subscribers. Not like it's going to stay like that forever. You know, you see me I say, but you know, me just have that feeling say that road is slippery at times. You see me I say. Anyways, let me know what you think about some of the things that I just said. Let me know what you think about the videos that I just presented to you. I saw these videos on social media. Bring them to you to keep you up to date and posted, let you know what's going on. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.